doing some streamer fishing, winter trout edition. See if we can get some strikes. Uh-oh. I have too much ice in that front guide. Yup. And that's why fly fishing in the winter is kind of a pain. Okay, new tactic. Time to troll a little. Fish on, baby. Yay. Not a giant, but it looks like it's a decent one. Ooh, it's kind of a pretty brown too by the looks of it. Oh yeah, look at that guy. Oh, he just inhaled it too. Did he? I mean, not to the point where he's gonna be hurt or anything. It's just all the way in the mouth is all. Get him unhooked quick. Look at that. Choked it. Come on. If you just open your mouth a tiny bit more. Look at that. Just a beauty. There we go. Trolling, winter fly fishing. Black streamer. If you got a fly rod and you don't have streamers, you better put the fly rod away and get back to fishing with worms. Just keep in mind, guys, if you're trolling like this, whether it's winter or summertime, that you can't be really hammering them on the hook set. You gotta give them a pretty gentle one if you're upstream of them. Because if you really yank it, you're gonna probably pull it right out of their mouth.